was your last kiss?
My last kiss was very sweet. It was
हम कुछ और एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे,
वो तो मिलने नहीं वाला बिल्कुल नहीं मिलने वाला।
इश्क विश्क की बात करें, बॉन्डिंग बहुत हुई होगी आप चारों के बीच में। बॉन्डिंग टेस्ट करें,
करो,
कॉल करें, कोई उठाता है तो लेट्स सी
कर लेते।
कुछ प्रैंक करते हैं कि वो सीरियस हो जाए, वो पैनिक हो जाए।
He might be shooting. That's what he told me yesterday. I don't think he's gonna pick up.
रोहित पिक अप।
Rohit, pick up the
रोहित,
phone.
what is this behavior?
Rohit, what's going on? I'm your actress. दुख हुआ, लेकिन हम मूव ऑन करेंगे।
बिल्कुल, क्योंकि इश्क विश्क का ना वो क्या कहते हैं, एसेंस ही मूव ऑन था, रिबाउंड था।
अब रिबाउंड होगा।
अब रिबाउंड होगा।
जिब्रान को
जिब्रान को करते हैं।
No.
Let's do जिब्रान।
Let's move.
हाय, दिस इज दिशा जसोरिया फ्रॉम फिल्मी ज्ञान, और इश्क विश्क प्यार व्यार करके सीधा फिल्मी ज्ञान पे पधारी है नायरा ग्रेवाल।
Thank you. I'm very excited, Disha, to be here and finally have our conversation. You know, last time, I have to say this.
Okay.
Last time, जब Disha आई थी हम सबको interview करने during promotions, then I was not well and I was sick and I was at home and I think I missed a beautiful session because Disha ने गाना गाया था। तो आज Disha मेरे लिए गाना गाएगी for sure.
Definitely. क्या end of this conversation आपको
I think you can wrap it up with a nice ribbon which will be the song.
Definitely, but इश्क विश्क प्यार व्यार की बात करूं
जी।
क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा? It is getting a lot of good amount of success, good praises when your acting is concerned.
Yeah.
उस पे बताइए, how is the feeling?
You know, it's always really special when someone recognizes you for your work.
Yeah.
And I'm just so happy that all the love that I'm getting for my character Riya is getting the love and the appreciation, even, I mean, the film as well. But specifically to my character, I think everyone's just talking about how they wish there was more of Riya in the film.
Definitely.
And I just feel like that is a win for me, because if an audience member thinks that, damn, I wish there was more of her in the film, I'm hungry to see more of her, then that's praiseworthy. So I'm just kind of taking that and I'm being very appreciative of the fact that so many people are just pouring in so much of love. We've made the film for Gen Zs, and I feel like it's hitting a chord with them, and it's found a space in people's heart. You know, I keep receiving messages that you know, ma'am, मैंने 2-3 बार film देखी है. So you know, somewhere it's touching people's hearts, and I feel like that's the best thing.
बिल्कुल, और ये थोड़ा सा कॉन्वर्सेशन हम हिंदी में भी कर देते हैं।
हाँ.
लोग ज़्यादा कनेक्ट करते हैं when you're speaking in हिंदी।
बिल्कुल।
आपने बोला कि लोग चाह रहे थे आपको और देखना। With movies आपको कभी less स्क्रीन स्पेस की वजह से दिक्कत हुई है? आपका टेक क्या है लेस स्क्रीन स्पेस के को लेके?
मुझे हमेशा ये लगता है कि मुझे बाउंड डाउन नहीं होना एक कैरेक्टर के ड्यूरेशन को लेके। तो आई डोंट लाइक कि एक लेबल आप कर दो कि ये बस लीड है या हीरोइन का पार्ट है। मुझे लगता है कि एक कैरेक्टर होता है, एंड अगर आपको उसमें इम्पैक्टफुल परफॉर्मेंस देना है तो शायद आप 5 मिनट के स्क्रीन टाइम के साथ भी वो इम्पैक्ट क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, एंड शायद 2 घंटे का स्क्रीन स्पेस के बावजूद भी आप वो इम्पैक्ट नहीं क्रिएट कर पा रहे हैं। सो आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू आई ऑलवेज सी इट इन सच अ वे कि जितना मुझे दिया गया है उसमें मैं कितना इम्पैक्ट कर सकती हूँ। अपने ऑडियंसेस को एक वो हंगर हमेशा मैं चाहती हूँ कि वो हंगरी रहे कि काश इसमें और हो पाता, या अगर बहुत है तो हाँ, जो मैं देख रहा हूँ या देख रही हूँ वो मैं सेटिस्फाइड हूँ, मैं इंट्रीग्ड हूँ, मैं इंटरेस्टेड हूँ कि ये कैरेक्टर क्या कर सकता है। एंड मुझे वो एक आई सी इट मोर इन दैट लाइट रादर कि स्क्रीन स्पेस कम है कि ज़्यादा है।
डेफिनेटली आपने इम्पैक्ट की बात की. इम्पैक्ट ऐसा क्रिएट हो गया था दैट यू आर IMDb नंबर 1 फॉर लाइक वीक्स. सो उस चीज़ को आपने कैसे देखा? व्हाट वाज दैट फीलिंग टू बी नंबर 1?
इट वाज ह्यूज. सो मुझे याद है कि दिस वाज मामला लीगल है, ये रिलीज़ हो गया था मेरा वेब सीरीज़ ऑन नेटफ्लिक्स. And one of my writers, Saurabh Khanna, he messaged me and he sent me a screenshot saying, Naila, you're number 1 on IMDb most popular. And I was very excited. I mean, you don't expect something like this so early on, you know. So I was just extremely, again, grateful and humbled that I got an opportunity like Mamla Legal है, जहाँ पे मुझे अपने acting capabilities I could get a chance to show कि मेरे acting capabilities क्या है. Because as I said, एक actor के लिए बस वो ही है कि आप अपना acting दिखाओ, अपना जो अंदर है वो दिखा पाओ. And I feel like with मामला legal है मैं वो कर पाई. And it was so much of fun, like number 1 on IMDb. It was quite a pinch.
Even the award.
Yeah.
The award was special.
Award was very special. It's my first award ever.
First is always special.
Yeah. So I was like very nervous when I had to receive that. I was like, oh my god, this is exciting.
Definitely.
तो बहुत ही special moment था. And इतने दिग्गज बैठे हुए थे in the audience. So yeah, it again feels like चलो मैं, you know, I'm an outsider. मेरे लिए एक जगह बनाना, because हमेशा लगता था कि मैं बन पाऊंगी कि नहीं. तो when you get that chance and then you can prove yourself and then लोगों को आपका काम अच्छा लगता है and then आपको award मिलता है, it feels like okay, I'm getting closer and closer to
what you really want.
Correct.
Definitely. You've said outsider की आपने बात की. कभी अकेलापन महसूस हुआ है? It's difficult.
Yeah.
Days are tough. There are days when you don't feel like getting up.
Yeah.
How do you battle your tough days?
Yeah, that's an important one actually, Disha, because the thing is कि यहाँ पे ना it's like a roller coaster ride. कुछ दिन आपके अच्छे होते हैं and then some days are very low where you feel like हर चीज़ आपके against ही चल रहा है, कुछ for तो चल नहीं रहा. But I feel like then is when you kind of have to bounce back on your friends and family. And मेरे लिए वो I think सबसे ज़्यादा important है. I always take my thoughts back to my parents, my sister. Whenever I'm feeling low, I've started to express what I'm feeling, because I feel like जब आप अंदर रखते हो, जब आप bottle up अपने emotions को करते हो, I think that has a chance of possibly spiraling later on. And in order to avoid that, I think it's always better कि आप express करो जो आप feel कर रहे हो, उसको absorb and उसको face करो, and then proceed from there, because I feel like then that journey just becomes a lot more easier. Definitely एक चीज़ जो है which I've started to not be so hyper. पहले मैं बहुत angst में रहती थी, बहुत बहुत anxiety होता था कि हर एक meeting को लेके, एक situation को लेके, एक audition को लेके. अब मैं थोड़ा सा एक अपने अंदर चाहती हूँ कि वो ease लाऊं, because some things are not in your control. And as an actor आपको लगता है शायद मैं अच्छी नहीं हूँ, मैं एक अच्छी एक्टर नहीं हूँ.
सेल्फ डाउट,
बहुत सेल्फ डाउट होता है
पूरी जर्नी में. शायद when you're starting off initially वो सेल्फ डाउट रहता ही है. How do you take it, how do you handle it is something which is very important.
Correct.
And I feel again हम off camera भी बात कर रहे थे, you as a woman is very clear with your thoughts, with your principles, and that is what I like, that is what I've always liked. And plus हमारी जो ये less screen space की बात हुई, उस पर भी आपने clarification बहुत प्यारा दिया है. For you it's the impact आप कितने वो 5 मिनट में create करें, that's more important for you rather than 2 घंटा या 3 घंटा का screen space. तो वही मैं कुछ प्यारी प्यारी movies आपने की है जिसमें प्यारे प्यारे रोल किया है, तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि उसमें कुछ अगर if you can share कोई incident, कुछ प्यारा incident which has stayed with you. For example बरेली की बर्फी आपने की थी, तो उसमें कोई ऐसा इंसिडेंट विद आयुष्मान एंड कृति व्हाइल शूटिंग, कोई प्रैंक हो रहा हो या कुछ हो रहा हो व्हिच हैज स्टेड विद यू?
So बरेली की बर्फी में क्या था that my parts were actually just with Ayushman, so I didn't actually meet Kriti or Rajkumar, but I feel like एक चीज़ हमेशा मुझे याद रहती है, व्हेन आई रीच सेट आई वेंट विद माय मम. मैं बहुत छोटी थी, आई मीन आई वाज इन कॉलेज, मुझे ज़्यादा कुछ पता नहीं था. सो माय मम यूज्ड टू अकम्पनी मी ऑन सेट. सो हम गए एंड आयुष्मान का एक शॉट हो रहा था छत पे. रात का सीन था एंड उनके को एक्टर थे एंड वो उनका शॉट हो रहा था एंड मैं सेट पे गई थी डायरेक्टर से मिलने, अश्विनी मैम से एंड आयुष्मान से, कि मैं एक बार इंट्रोडक्शन कर लूँ एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो मैं पहुंची सेट एंड मैं छत पे गई ऊपर एंड मैं वेट कर रही थी. साइड में बहुत लोग खड़े हुए थे तो मैं साइड में वेट कर रही थी एंड शॉट हुआ एंड देन आई सॉ हिम वॉकिंग टुवर्ड्स द डायरेक्शन आई वाज इन. मैंने सोचा कहीं जा रहे होंगे, जो भी है, मुझे अब जाके अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करना होगा. ऑफ कोर्स he was coming to me.
Okay.
And he came up to me and he said, "Hi Naila, I'm Ayushman." And I said, "Hi Ayushman, I'm Naila." And he got a chair and he sat and थोड़ा उन्होंने मेरे साथ small talk किया.
Okay.
And I always remember that because he was still Ayushman Khurrana when he was doing Bareli Ki Barfi. He is such a fantastic actor and star. And for him to come up to me and introduce himself to me, I was just like, okay, there's a lot to learn from him. And what I take away from Bareli Ki Barfi is Ayushman Khurrana's kindness. He's possibly the kindest actor I've worked with. He's just so giving and he's so warm and he's so sweet. And तब मैं I had done no work. I had done तमाशा, उसमें भी छोटा सा रोल था.
इस पे आने वाली हूँ मैं.
हाँ. So I was very like naive and I didn't know anything and he gave me so much of love and respect that I feel like it always has a special place in my heart.
Definitely. Tamasha was again a good movie to have. कि थोड़ा सा part मिल गया.
Yeah.
तो उसके बारे में any fond memory if you can share?
So I'll tell you how I got it, the film. It was a very luck by chance kind of a thing. So मैं दिल्ली से हूँ. Okay, I studied in Lady Shri Ram College for Women, LSR, which is part of Delhi University. And DU में क्या होता है that you have a lot of societies and people are very active in those societies. You have the dramatic society and dance society and multiple different societies. So I was of course part of the dramatic society. I was doing a play and in the audience it so happened that there were people from the casting team of the film and they saw me and they said that after the play they said that एक फिल्म है तमाशा, उसमें एक छोटा सा पार्ट है एंड ये फिल्म बन रही है, इम्तियाज़ अली सर डायरेक्ट कर रहे हैं एंड रणबीर कपूर इज द एक्टर यू हैव टू एक्ट विद. सो आई सेड
व्हाई नॉट,
ऑफ कोर्स, हेलो. सो ऐसे पूछने वाली क्या बात है. सो आई ऑडिशनड फॉर द पार्ट and then I had to meet Imtiaz sir and he was shooting a scene with Deepika and Ranbir in Delhi itself. I went to meet Imtiaz sir for the first time and he asked me कि school कहाँ से किया है, all the basic questions. And मैं अभी LSR गई थी after finishing school, so I was like very new. I didn't know anything. I was like 17 or something. And then he said, okay, मुझे एक और audition लेना है, तो कल हमारा एक free day है, आप ये हम इस होटल में रह रहे हैं, आप यहाँ पे आके गिव योर ऑडिशन. सो ऐसे चलो ठीक है, एक सेकंड ऑडिशन देना होगा, व्हाटएवर. सो आई रीच द होटल एंड आई थॉट कि एडीज होंगे वहाँ पे, वो मेरा टेक लेंगे कैमरा में एंड दिल शो इम्तियाज सर एंड ही विल से येस और नो. सो आई स्पोक टू द एडी एंड ही सेड दैट गो टू XYZ place, okay, over here. I reached and the door opened and there was Imtiaz Ali who opened the door and on the couch there was Ranbir Kapoor sitting. So I was like that. I was just in shock.
Yeah.
Okay, it's
I mean.
insane. Like how do you even comprehend such a situation, right? And they were so lovely and warm and sweet and I was having that that imposter syndrome कि मैं यहाँ इनके साथ क्या. So I entered and I sat on the couch with Ranbir and he was very warm and again he was just doing small
What was the conversation?
The conversation was not much, it was just, but I do remember him cracking some joke about my name. or something in like a cute way. He thought my name was Leila and I said no, it's Naila. So something along
Around
those lines. But he was really sweet and we sat and then we did the scene and Imtiaz sir was recording me doing my audition with Ranbir. So they possibly wanted to see how we look together for that shot or whatever. And then that happened and then I said okay, bye. Thank you. It was great fun. I enjoyed myself. And then I was going down in the elevator. I got a call from the casting team saying that Imtiaz sir has told us he likes you for the part.
Yay!
So it was like great. So then for me it was such a new experience for me, Disha. I didn't even know how to be on a set, you know. When I first reached that set, I didn't even know how to hit your mark. How do you catch light?
Catching light
it's a huge thing, you know. And I was so raw and so new. I didn't know anything. So I think being on set with Ranbir just taught me that agar mujhe is industry mein hona hai, to I have to pull up my socks and work on my craft.
Yes. And he's a man who's worked on his craft so well. I
used to just observe him on set while his shots were going on or his close was happening, and he almost maneuvers on that set like it's a dance. He's so seamless when he's moving around on a set, when he's saying his dialogues, especially in Tamasha, because Tamasha and his dialogues required a sense of, you know, lyrics. There was a lyrical style to which he had to say a lot of his dialogues. So I feel like he kind of just danced and maneuvered on that set so seamlessly and so beautifully and impactfully that perhaps that's why that film is so memorable for people even today.
Definitely. इश्क विश्क की बात करें, बॉन्डिंग बहुत हुई होगी आप चारों के बीच में. बॉन्डिंग टेस्ट करें,
करो,
कॉल करें, कोई उठाता है तो लेट्स सी
कर लेते.
रोहित को करते हैं कॉल.
चलो
कुछ प्रैंक करते हैं.
प्रैंक,
I need your help or something, whatever comes to your mind. कि वो सीरियस हो जाए, वो पैनिक हो जाए, कुछ ऐसा बोलो. You know क्या हिट कर सकता है उसको.
I'm gonna try. Let's see if he picks up. He may be shooting. He might be shooting. That's what he told me yesterday. I don't think he's gonna pick up.
Rohit, pick up.
Rohit, pick up the phone.
Rohit, what is this behavior?
Rohit, what's going on? I'm your actress. दूध का दूध, पानी का पानी हो गया है, guys.
आपण ज्या व्यक्तीस कॉल करीत आहात ती व्यक्ती उत्तर देत नाही. कृपया थोडं.
दुख हुआ,
लेकिन हम मूव ऑन करेंगे.
बिल्कुल, क्योंकि इश्क विश्क का ना वो क्या कहते हैं, एसेंस ही मूव ऑन था, रिबाउंड था. अब
रिबाउंड होगा. अब जिब्रान को
जिब्रान को करते हैं. Let's do जिब्रान. मुझे पता है, I have this feeling by end of this interview Rohit is going to call
back.
Yeah, call back. Let's see how good is your friendship.
I have to call Gibran.
Yeah.
Imagine अगर बेइज्जती हो जाएगी अगर इसने भी कॉल रिसीव नहीं किया. Let's see. Same prank करना है इसके साथ. ये तैयार हो रहा होगा. Gibran.
Yes. All okay?
Dude, something's happened.
What happened?
I don't know how to tell you.
Tell me.
It's about our film.
Huh?
It's about our film.
What says?
You haven't heard?
No, what?
Okay, I'm joking. I'm going to stop. I'm in an interview with Disha from Filmy Gyan, and she has...
Bro, you gave me a fucking heart attack, Naila. You
I had to.
asshole.
I know. I'm so sorry. I have to
Why
make
would
this
you
up.
do something like this?
I know, but I had to. I didn't want to, but I had to, Gibran. I had to. My hands
We
were
know you're a
tied.
good actor, you fuck.
I'm sorry. I'm going to make this up to you for sure.
Shut up. Idiot.
Okay.
Where are you doing your interviews?
At their office.
Okay, fine.
Chal.
Fuck, bro.
Bye, Gibran.
Bye.
I'll talk
Get
to you.
out. Bye.
Bye.
That was fun. Good bonding you have.
है ना?
That's very natural
He
and
got
good
really
friendship.
scared,
you have.
huh?
He got scared. आपने बोला कैसा movie? Hashtag show segment कर लेते हैं.
हाँ.
So we'll move on to the segments. So the first segment is the hashtag show.
Okay.
कुछ actors के नाम लूँगी? प्यारे प्यारे hashtag दे दो.
Yeah, this is fun.
रोहित.
Hashtag sensitive.
रणवीर.
Ranveer Singh.
रणवीर सिंह.
Hashtag eccentric.
रणबीर कपूर.
Hashtag he's got it all.
To Ayushmann Khurrana.
Hashtag relatable.
जिब्रान.
Hashtag super sweet.
Super sweet. To Alia Bhatt.
Hashtag versatile.
To Kriti.
Hashtag inspirational.
Shraddha Kapoor.
Hashtag stunning.
To Aditya Roy Kapoor.
Hashtag very hot.
To Virat Kohli.
Hashtag the king.
To Anushka Sharma.
Hashtag wholesome.
Have you met her?
I haven't met her and I really want to. She's one of my favorites.
The most genuine.
She's a genuine, organic, very real woman.
And she has balances her professional and personal life
So
well. So beautiful. बहुत कुछ सीखने जैसा है.
Yeah, for sure.
To Taapsee Pannu.
Hashtag super fierce.
Deepika Padukone.
Hashtag the queen.
The Queen. To Tripti.
Tripti, hashtag hot and spicy.
And lastly to Katrina.
Katrina, hashtag chikni chameli.
Good one. I'll the last segment. जो the last है.
हाँ.
Segment का नाम ही है.
अच्छा, the last. अच्छा, okay, got it.
Last segment, which is the last.
Wow.
The last with Naila. The last person you stalked. Actor.
The last person I stalked, my co-star Pashmina.
The last actor or person you blocked.
My lips are sealed.
Not revealing.
Not revealing.
The last food you ate.
The last food I ate was my breakfast, so I would say I had chila. I had chila.
Chila is like comforting food.
Yeah, right?
किस इंसान के साथ आप आखिरी बार डिनर डेट पे गए थे?
I don't think my family is counted now, but I went last night with them for like a family dinner.
No issue. Last recent photo in your gallery. Recent, no cheating.
Oh, my mom went to she went to Siddhi Vinayak, so she sent me a picture. My mom went to Siddhi Vinayak, so she sent me a picture.
The last web search.
My last web search.
खुद को ही तो नहीं search किया था?
नहीं.
You don't?
It's kind of like skincare. Like I had this like particular like skincare that I've been searching about to see whether it'll suit my skin.
When was your last kiss?
My last kiss was very sweet. It was today morning to my baby niece Ira. I kissed her profusely on her cheeks.
हम कुछ और expect कर रहे थे पर
वो तो मिलने नहीं वाला. बिल्कुल नहीं मिलने वाला.
The last time you cried.
The last time I cried, I think I cried during the trailer launch, which I didn't expect.
Yeah.
No one expected me to cry during the Ishq Vish trailer launch, and I just kind of saw us and I got a little emotional. And then I controlled myself because I was like, Naila, makeup on hai, mascara phailega, mat rona. But I did, and I got quite overwhelmed because it was just a lot of work we put into it, and it was just an overwhelming experience.
I was there.
You were there, no?
Yeah. The last person you hugged.
The last person I hugged, I'm a hugger. I hug someone or the other every day.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll hug you today.
Yeah.
Afterwards.
Definitely.
So you'll make my first hug for the day.
Yes. And lastly, the last time you've got anxiety, what situation में?
I was quite anxious during the premiere. We hadn't seen the film.
Yeah.
That was the first time that we all saw the film during the premiere. So I would say the premiere, I was a little like on edge कि क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा.
Definitely. And कर लेते हैं end conversation की.
End कर लेते हैं conversation. क्या करना है end में?
क्या करना है?
क्या बोले?
क्या करना है? क्या सुनना चाहेंगे?
हाँ. So I have a request, guys.
Okay.
Now that we're at the end of this segment, I demand that Disha sing a song for me. I was thinking that she can sing a beautiful number, which is Chupke.
Hey, you sing so well.
I don't sing well.
ठीक है. I don't know this song. बहुत difficult है. This is the most
it is
difficult
actually.
song. Please guys, don't troll me. But
Yeah.
I can try. और
Yeah.
ऐसे दूसरा दिमाग में है
Correct.
तुरंत कर लूँगी.
Correct. Yeah.
चुपके से रात की चादर तले चांद की भी आहट ना हो बादल के पीछे चले जले कतरा कतरा जले कतरा कतरा रात भी ना हिले आधी आधी रात भी न हिले आधी आधी रे चुपके से लग जा गले रात की चादर तले. I'm so happy she sang so well.
So beautiful, dude.
Is it? I don't know.
I don't know बोल रही है. It's something else. You're something else.
Thank you so much. I've got a lot of overwhelming response गाने को लेकर. Everyone is just pushing me कि do something about it, do something about it. But I feel if it's just time to happen, it will happen.
She's so good, guys. Oh my god. Oh, my ears feel like sukoon. It was so good.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. एक last message आप जनता को दे दें कि आपको बहुत सारा प्यार दें.
Yes. Hi everyone who's watching this beautiful, beautiful interview that I've done with Disha for Filmi Gyan. I'm just so happy to be here today being interviewed by this fantastic team and the beautiful Disha. Thank you for giving all the love that you have been giving me and continue to pour all the blessings and the love towards me. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.